She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Southwestern chicken salad with flavors I'm sure you will enjoy. These are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make this Southwestern chicken salad. All the ingredients are going to go together well to make a fantastic twist on the classic chicken salad. Hopefully guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. You know I appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here is the Southwestern chicken salad, a quick easy recipe with a twist on the classic chicken salad. This Southwestern chicken salad is full of fantastic flavors that you are definitely going to enjoy. We've got the red peppers, the corn, the black beans. Then we've got flavors like cilantro, cumin, and chili powder. Definitely brings about that Southwestern flavor, and hopefully you guys will give this one a try. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you do love a good chicken salad. Share this video out. Most certainly appreciate that. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button and that bell to be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.